Today, I'm diving into LCID stock to see if it's really about to explode, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is. Let's see if I can turn a profit. Lucid Motors, the company behind LCID stock, has been making waves in the electric vehicle market with its high-performance luxury cars. The stock has seen its fair share of ups and downs, but recent trends have left investors wondering if it's poised for a major surge. With the EV market growing rapidly, many are keeping a close eye on LCID to see if it can capitalize on this momentum. LCID has faced some significant challenges recently. One of the main concerns is the increasing competition in the electric vehicle market. With established players like Tesla and new entrants like Rivian, LCID has had to work hard to differentiate itself. The company has also faced some production issues, which have impacted its ability to meet demand. These challenges have been reflected in the stock price, which has been quite volatile. Another challenge LCID has faced is the global supply chain disruptions. The pandemic has caused a ripple effect throughout the industry, impacting everything from raw materials to finished goods. This has made it tough for LCID to maintain a steady production flow. Additionally, the company has been investing heavily in research and development, which has put a strain on its finances. The electric vehicle market is evolving rapidly, and LCID is no exception. The company has been working hard to ramp up production and improve its product offerings. However, the high competition and high R&D expenses have been weighing on the stock. Furthermore, some investors have expressed concerns about the company's ability to scale efficiently. Despite these challenges, there are some promising developments on the horizon. LCID has been making progress on its product launches, including the highly anticipated Gravity SUV. This new model is expected to open up new markets and attract a wider range of customers. The company has also been strengthening its partnerships and expanding its charging network. The upcoming product launches could be a major catalyst for LCID stock. The company has been working hard to improve its production capabilities and increase its market share. Any positive developments on this front could send the stock soaring. Additionally, changes in the electric vehicle market, such as increased demand or favorable regulatory policies, could also have a positive impact on LCID. Some recent news and developments have caught my attention. LCID has been gaining traction in the market, with some analysts predicting a significant increase in stock price. The company has also been making strides in terms of innovation, with advancements in battery technology and autonomous driving. Taking a closer look at the numbers, LCID's recent quarterly earnings report showed a significant increase in revenue. This growth, combined with the company's efforts to improve efficiency, could be a sign that the stock is undervalued. If LCID can continue to execute on its plans, it could see a major surge in stock price. So, is LCID stock about to explode? Based on the analysis, I believe it has the potential for a significant increase. The key points to watch are the company's ability to scale efficiently, its product launches, and changes in the electric vehicle market. If you're considering investing in LCID, keep a close eye on these signals. What do you think about LCID stock? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more stock analysis, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I've also got a recent video on another trending stock that's worth checking out.